And then we'll also introduce our co-host today, Susan Bain.
Hi everyone, I hope you guys are doing amazing today. Then Susan will be co-hosting with Ja. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be doing the catwalk like he did, but he did earn the title. I want to first off thank you guys for taking your time, for making sure to be a part of efforts that we have been long waiting for the state of California. We know that in Minnesota and Wisconsin, the fashion designers there and also the stylists and also Chet has really worked hard to organize the fashion there. And here we are sending off our own in our state to go to fashion school, and it's such a blessing to have them here today to showcase what they've been doing.
Okay, theo tôi cho tôi chủ đề gì cứ tính lên chào lúc đó lên chỉ dạy gì nên lúc xưa chẳng tiếng thông báo lúc đó tôi cũng cho revive Mong Youth Fashion Show lấy cho nó lớn qua ó được nhà hay nó theo của trong xuyên để sợ được tôi cũng cho lớn món nó tới rồi này giống bỏ lấy cho fashion design nhất rồi xong nó ông đây chắc là nó cũng sẽ biến thành lớn nó hộp phe tổng đây nó giờ xã lộc bác cho tôi chạy lùa lấy là chỗ là bác cho tôi chạy lùa trường nhất high school phải đó college tới university bác the art là trong fashion và do cái sao trồng cho còn như hầu hết tụi nên nó xuyên xã có đi xuống câu trồng trồng đó là thì fashion nó mà lúc đó giờ mất thay tàu là lý do thế gì nó cũng sẽ cho mong international new year hoặc là chúng nó cho nó cho revive youth fashion show tàu kêu là khiến đúng nó kia ta đi đó chứ mong nó đúng nó đây cho đi đẹp rơi tôi còn đến đó. Oh, you like this shot already, sure. Don't be scared, okay? Come on, louder! Alright, but then before we are gonna go to our fashion, we have special guest performers. So one day your performers nó cũng sẽ có bây giờ là bây giờ ý đại slideshow on the contextual project. So bây giờ bạn có thể we're just gonna play the music. Mong your children mong on the Kong Shoe project. Let's welcome Prolo J.
All the way back. How's it going, everybody? Wait, I can't hear you guys. How's it going? Pretty cool. Alright, DJ, you go ahead and play that track for me. Thank you. My name is Prolo J, also known as Joshua King. This is my song called Are You Feeling Me? And it goes sound like this. First. I see you sitting there just looking so flat. Can I talk to you? Better yet, can I make a move all over your body? The way your body looks, you got me twisted, alright. So can I talk to you? I'll show you what I can do. So let's get it. So why don't we just get up on the floor? And let me show you what I'm gonna do to you, baby. Cause I'll show you a good time. I see you making your move, lady. Are you feeling me, baby? Hey girl, just come over. Looking up like I think it's better that we should get together, babe. What? Hey, sexy girl, y'all know it. What I gotta do to make you like me? So what are you feeling? Second verse, then it goes something like this. What now? I wanna say that, girl, you're my type. Am I the one for you? Let me know what I can do so I can call you my baby. Can I talk about your style? Looking as fly as can be. And I'll show you what I can do. So let's get up. So why don't we just get up on the floor? And let me show you what I'm gonna do to you, baby. Cause I'll show you a good time. Hey, I see you making your move, lady. Are you feeling me, baby? Hey girl, just come over. Looking off like I think it's better that we shake it together, baby. What, sexy girl, you know it. What I gotta do to make you like me? So what are you feeling? I got something to say, shake it out. What? I mean, the girls are the black eyes and the blue show. The protege is on that ride. It's all over the flower. It's a good world, it's a good world, man. That's even living in the day. That's like me, that makes you want to leave too much. This is how I'm popping it down. This pretty young girl turn my life around. What made her just come over? You thought I could get better. That you should get together, baby. Sexy girl, y'all know it. What I gotta do to make your life better? So what are you feeling, baby? This is my last song right here, called "Closer to You," and I got some free CDs right here. I'm about to pass out, so whoever wants to come out, right here. Closer to you. If I was to say, girl, would you run away from me if I told you I love you? If I was to go, would you be there no matter what I do, no matter what I say? If I was to do anything, would you run along with me? If I was to make you mad, would you still forgive me, baby? You know that I'm down for you. I'm friendly, missing from you. I'm praying that everything gon' be fine. Cause I got nothing. Hey, if I lose you, I don't know what to do. One more glue, baby. Hey, oh, sure. I don't know about y'all, but I don't wanna be closer. Oh, baby, you're right there. Oh, wanna be closer with you, you know. Wanna be right there. Wanna be closer, come closer to you, baby. Oh, oh, oh.